Why do some guys cheat on their girl who's a 10 with a girl who's a 5?
Buenos dias. In this video, I'm going to share to you. I'm going to share to you a very useful Spanish verb, especially if you're aspiring to be a Spanish bilingual representative. And I do hope that when you encounter this verb, you will remember me. You will not be caught off guard. El verbo es marcar. So, marcar means few things. The easiest one is to call. You will encounter this especially when you're dealing with Mexican users. So they will use this verb instead of llamar. Por ejemplo, oye Carl, te voy a marcar más tarde. Carl, I'm going to call you later. The second use of this verb is to label or to mark. Por ejemplo, ya marqué los correos electrónicos. So I already marked those emails. The third one is a bit trickiest one. They will use the verb marcar instead of mostrar or dar or echar. Sí, por ejemplo, me marca ese error. It actually means it indicates me this error message, or they will use that instead of me muestra ese error, or they will use that instead of me echa ese error o me da ese error. So guys, ayun lang. That's all for now. So I do hope that I help you with your Spanish learning journey. And muchísimas gracias por escúchame. Nos vemos pronto. Sígame por más. Hasta luego.